In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see downloaded files in Telegram. To get started, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen of the app so you can easily access the menu options. If you've never checked your downloaded files before, this is a useful place to look because Telegram stores different types of media and documents inside the app, and this section helps you understand what has already been downloaded. Once Telegram is open, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find many of the app's controls and preferences, including options related to storage, downloads, and how Telegram handles media on your device. If you're trying to free up space or simply want to review what Telegram has saved, you'll find everything you need in the next section. After that, tap on Data and Storage. This area contains settings related to how Telegram uses your internet connection and your device storage. It also gives you access to the tools that show how much space downloaded content is taking up. This is especially helpful if you use Telegram often for photos, videos, documents, or stickers, because over time these files can build up without you realizing it. Next, tap on Storage Usage. This is the section where Telegram organizes the downloaded data stored through the app. Once you're here, you'll be able to see the different categories of downloaded content. These typically include sticker and emoji files, documents, photos, and videos. Telegram separates them so it's easier to understand what kind of content is using the most space. Take a moment to look through the categories shown on this screen. This gives you a clear overview of the data Telegram has downloaded and stored locally. For example, if videos are taking up a lot of space, you'll see that reflected here. If most of your storage is being used by photos, documents, or stickers, that will also be visible. This can be very useful if you want to manage app storage more effectively or just keep track of what's been saved. And that's how to see downloaded files in Telegram. As a quick tip, checking this section from time to time can help you stay aware of how much storage the app is using, especially if you're active in channels or group chats where lots of media gets shared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.